Hello, good evening. My name is Vikas. Today I am going to explain you the dashboard which I have created in Excel. So before directly going to my PPT, I would like to show you my dashboard. Okay? Yeah. This is my data set which contain 12 rows, 12 columns and 300 plus rows. Okay? This is a data set of CVDs. CVDs is nothing but a cardiovascular disease. Okay? Basically a heart problem disease. Okay, you can see that here is one more worksheet which is called analyze worksheet. Here you can see that some of the question which I have created. Okay, basically here I have created more than 14 questions. Okay, and after that I have answered to that question according to their questions. Okay, yeah, this is my analysis part. Yeah. And after that 14 question I have also analyzed what I have also put what I have found in this analysis part. This is my dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard sheet. Yeah, this is my dashboard sheet. Okay, yeah, this is my dashboard. Yes, also for the better visualization I have used conditional formatting for the better visualization. So now go to my let's move to my PPT. Okay, yeah. Problem of approach. There are, as I have told you, there are 12 columns and more than 300 plus rows. Okay, and I have created 15 questions. Okay, and this is the link from where I have downloaded my data set. Okay, this is basically a heart disease problem which I have told you earlier. This is the question which I have analyzed. Okay, number of patient. First question is number of patient based on their area. We can see that age criteria between 40 to 50. Basically there are 300 patients in my data set. Okay, so age criteria between 40 to 50, 47 patients are there. Okay, age criteria between 50 to 60, 83 patients are there. Likewise, age criteria between 90 to 100, there are 6 patients are there. Number of patients. Second question is number of patients based on their gender. We can clearly see that 0 is for female and 1 is for male. We can clearly see that 65% are people are those who are male, who belongs to male criteria, and 35% are belongs to female criteria. Number of death based on this is my third question. Number of death based on their age criteria. Yeah, as I've told you, age criteria between 40 to 50, there are 47 patients, 11 are dead. Age criteria between 50 to 60, 83 patients are there, and are in that 20 are dead. Likewise, age criteria between 90 to 100, 6 patients are there, and in that 6 patients, 5 are dead. Mortality rate based on their gender. So basically, a mortality rate 0 is for female and 1 is for male. We can clearly see that 65% male are who are dead and 35% are female who are dead. Number of anemia patient based on their age criteria. Anemia patient, okay. Age criteria between 50 to 40 to 50 have 47 patients, and in that 47, 14 are anemia positive, and likewise age criteria between 90 to 100, 6 people are there, and in that 6 people 5 people have anemia positive. Patient who was suffering from high blood pressure problem. Okay, male and female. Yeah, we can see that there are 35% are female, who belongs to female. So basically 105 patients are there who are female, and in that 105 105 females, 44 are those who are suffering from high blood pressure problem, and 195 males. In that 195 male, 62 are those who have high blood pressure problem. Likewise, the mortality rate. This is the analysis of my mortality rates who have high blood pressure with respect to gender. Patient who is suffering from high, diabetes problem, you can clearly see that more than 50% of more than 100% of female who are suffering from more than 50% of female who are suffering from high diabetes problem also, and one out of 195, 70 males are there who have high diabetes problem. Percentage. This is a basically a analysis of percentage of patients who have severe ejection fraction problem. You can clearly see that almost more than half of almost 80% of people who have severe ejection fraction problem. Basically, what is exactly a severe ejection fraction is the amount of blood is pumped out from our heart is known as severe ejection fraction. So normal criteria is 20% only. Number of patients who have normal platelet count. We can clearly see that 255. This is the normal criteria, and other than this, these are abnormal criteria. More than half of people who have normal platelet count. Normal and abnormality and abnormality of a serum creatinine level. This is the normality and abnormality. We can clearly see that normal range is this for female and for male. Abnormal range is this for female and for male. Okay. Smoking playing an important role. We can clearly see that age criteria between 40 to 49. 11 people are those who are smoking, and in that 11, one are already dead. And age likewise age criteria between 80 to 98 people are those who are smoking habit, and in that 8, 6 are already dead. Okay. Patient who have smoking habit. Okay. Here we can clearly see that out of 105 females, 101 are those who do not have smoking habit. Only 4 are have smoking habit. And out of 195 males, 102 are those who do not have uh, smoking habit, and 93 are those who have smoking habit. Percentage of death rate. This is the analysis of percentage of death rate. Okay. We can clearly see that our death rate is around 32%. Out of 300 people, 32% are those who are already dead, and out of 368% are still alive in my data. Okay. So this was my analysis part, and after that, what I have found and what as a result what I have, I'll show you that also. Okay. This one is my result. Yeah, we can clearly see that out of 47, 11 have smoking habit, and out of 47, 14 are those who have high blood pressure. Out of 47 who have 47 are those who are ejection fraction problem also. Matlab basically there are ejection fraction is playing an important role in this mortality rate. You can clearly see that 47 patient are there, and 47 are those who have ejection fraction problem also there. We can clearly see here they also 83 are patients who belongs to 50 to 60 criteria age, and 83 all the 83 have facing ejection fraction problem also. We can clearly see that age criteria between 90 to 100 ejection fraction is playing an important role. Here we can see that 6 are those who have ejection fraction problem, and also 5 are already dead in that. So this was my present analysis part. This is my result part. Thank you so much.